Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ratandeep Kaur of Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies working as Assistant Professor at Information, Communication and Technology Department. Welcome to today's session on prospects of developing soft skills. Investing time in building soft skills can open a wide range of opportunities and significantly enhance both your career prospects and personal growth. Let's talk about some of the key points related to impact of soft skills. First one is your career advancement. The strong soft skills can lead to better job opportunities. Employers highly value the candidates with excellent communication, leadership, and problem solving abilities, as these skills contribute to a positive, productive work environment. The professionals with well developed soft skills are often considered for higher positions or more challenging roles, such as leadership positions or management. The increased job satisfaction is one of the most important factors. When you develop strong soft skills, you improve your ability to navigate workplace dynamics. This leads to better collaboration, fewer conflicts, and stronger work relationships, creating a more harmonious work environment. In turn, this results in greater job satisfaction and a deeper sense of accomplishment. The next point is enhanced networking and relationships. Soft skills like active listening, empathy, and networking help you build genuine connections with colleagues, clients, and mentors. These relationships often prove invaluable in career development, providing advice, support, and opportunities for collaboration. Additionally, in client facing roles, soft skills like empathy and effective communication are essential for building trust and fostering long lasting relationships. Another point is adaptability in changing work environment. As the workplace continues to evolve, soft skills like adaptability, problem solving, and resilience help you navigate changes whether they involve new technologies, roles, or organizational structures. Emotional intelligence and cultural awareness also allow you to work well within diverse and global teams. Another point is increased marketability and employability. The soft skills are transferable across industries and roles, making you highly marketable and employable. Whether you are moving to a new industry or shifting to a different role, soft skills ensure that you can adjust to any work environment, collaborate effectively, and manage challenges, which opens up variety of career paths. Now let's talk about the significance of developing soft skills. The development of soft skills has a profound impact on various aspects of your life, like improved communication and collaboration, where the effective communication is vital for reducing misunderstandings and promoting smoother collaboration with teams as well as the clients. The ability to work well in teams, contribute to group goals, and resolve conflicts constructively is essential for success in nearly every profession. Another point is higher emotional intelligence. It is a key to understand and manage your emotions as well as recognizing and responding to the emotions of others. This improves your ability to build relationships, work as a supportive team member, and become a more empathetic leader. The better solving critical thinking skills are also crucial. Soft skills such as critical thinking and creativity enable you to approach challenges from different perspectives, helping you to find innovative solutions and adapt to new situations. Another point, increased productivity and efficiency. Soft skills like time management and organization help you prioritize the task and meet deadlines, ultimately boosting productivity and reducing workplace stress. Another point about the confidence of yourself. As you refine your soft skills, particularly communication and leadership abilities, you will experience a boost in your self confidence, helping you to express yourself more clearly and guide others effectively. One of the main points is personal development and well-being. Finally, developing soft skills that enhance your self-awareness and promotes personal growth. Skills like emotional regulation and stress management also help you to maintain a balanced, healthy lifestyle and a strong sense of well-being. Thank you for joining me today in this lecture on the prospects and significance of soft skills. I hope you now have a deeper understanding of how these essential life skills impact various aspects of both your personal and professional life. Remember, developing a soft skill is an ongoing journey that can open a world of opportunities for you, whether you are advancing your career, building stronger relationships, or achieving personal growth. Keep practicing these skills in everyday situations and you will see the positive impact they have on your life. Thank you again for watching and I wish you all the best in your efforts to develop and enhance your soft skills. Until next time, take care and keep growing. Do like and share comments on Tecnia TV for more content.